Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program must accept a string yes and print the largest odd number in yes present in yes if there is no odd number in yes means we have to print 0. The program have to accept a string yes and print the largest odd number present in yes. If there is no odd number in yes means we have to print 0. Now let us consider our first test case. This is the string yes. Now let us write the substrings. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and next set of substrings 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and next set 3, next it starts from 3, so 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6 and next set 4, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6 and 5, 5, 6 and finally 6. These are the substrings obtained from yes. Now let us eliminate the even numbers. Now after eliminating the even numbers, the largest number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the largest odd number. So this will be printed as our output. Now let us consider for our second test case. And in this test case, there is no any odd number present. So let us first write the substrings 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 6, 4, 4, 6, 6, 4, 4, 6, 4, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. These are the substrings. There is no any odd number. All the numbers are even here. So 0 will be printed as our output. Now let us see the pseudocode for this program. First we must accept the input, that is string yes, and let us assign a variable called largest num to 0, because if there is no any odd integer present means we will just print the largest num. Next, for getting the substrings, let us have a for loop. For id1, which ranges from 0 to id1, that is length of yes, and another for loop id2, which ranges from id1 to id2, which is length of yes. Now let us store the substring. So s of id1 to id2 plus 1, this is the substring, and let us convert the substring to int, so, and store it in a variable called num. Now after storing the substring, we must check whether the num is even or odd. So if num is odd means we have to compare it with largest num. So largest num is equal to, which is nothing but maximum of largest num comma num, and finally we have to print the largest num. First we are getting input string s from the user and largest num equal to 0, and we are using two for loops for getting the substring. Num is equal to int of s of int1 to index of 2 plus 1, and after getting the substring we are checking whether it is even or odd and comparing it with largest num, and finally printing the largest num.